I welcome to all the distinguished guests in front of my Professor Dr. G. Senthinville, Director, National Institute of Siddha. Very good presentation made by the Dr. Arvind, Assistant Professor Botany, NIS. Dr. K. N. Sunil Kumar, SCRI, CCRS. Dr. K. Pasarthi, Research Officer, Chemistry, SCRI, CCRS. Dr. K. Venkatesan, Assistant Professor, RRIUM. Good morning and vanakkam to all of you. I am delighted to present at the Regional Raw Drug Repository, Southern Plateau Region RRDR SP, consultative meet for the stakeholder outreach program organized by the NIS Chennai. This program is an important platform to engage and collaborative with stakeholders including farmers, researchers, industry partners, and government agencies. I sincerely appreciate the organizers for this initiative. Under this project, financial assistance of rupees 5 crore has been extended by the National Medicinal Plant Board, Ministry of Ayush. I extended my regards to National Institute of Siddha, Chennai, that the lead institute. Regional Research Institute of Unani Medicine, RRIUM, Chennai, functioning under the Central Council for Research in Unani Medicine, CCRUM. Siddha Central Research Institute, SCRI, functioning under the Central Council for Research in Siddha. I also warmly welcome to all dignitaries and stakeholders present here. The Ayush system of medicine play a vital role in public health care. These systems are based on natural resources such as plants, animal, minerals. They are deeply embedded in our culture and the lifestyle. In India, Ayush medicine provides accessible, preventive, and cost-effective healthcare, especially for the chronic and lifestyle diseases. Globally, they are gaining the recognition as the complementary, natural, and wellness-focused therapies supported by the research and international collaborations. In order to promote research and wider use of the Ayush medicines, accessible and the authentic scientific data on raw drug is essential. While many raw drugs are commonly available, the lack of proper scientific documentation limits research and the commercial development. Need for strengthening the sector with growing global and the domestic demand, there is a need to strengthen traditional system of the medicine. Ensuring availability of quality raw medicinal material is crucial. The Ministry of Ayush is actively working towards this goal. Role of the NMPB. The National Medicinal Plant Board, NMPB, under the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, has the mandate to promote conservation of the medicinal plants, encourage cultivation and the sustainable use of the medicinal plant, support research and the development, facilitate market linkage, create awareness about the medicinal plant, contribute in the availability of the authenticated raw materials while enhancing the scientific robusting and the reliability of the reference materials. Research and the development achievement. NMPB has supported 435 R&D projects across the country. Research on 223 medicinal plant species, 128 agrotechniques published, and that these agrotechniques are also available in the NMPB websites. 6 patents filed. Variety development. CIM Rohi Gold, Ureria picta, Prashniparni, released by the CSIR CMAP in May 2025. high yielding Rohofin rich 1.2 to 1.5%. Improved Anacyclis perithrium variety by the CSIR CMAP released on the 11th February 2026 enhanced palpitations. Geographical indication Nagori ashwagandha registered on the 24th November 2025 under the NMPB supported project DMEPR Gujarat has been obtained as the GI tag Nagori ashwagandha. Significance of the RRDR project, availability and accessible and authentic scientific data on the raw drugs is essential to promote research in the Ayurveda system and support their wider propagation. Although many raw drugs and the commonly available lack of proper scientific documentation process, the challenges for the research and the limit their commercial utilizations. To address this gap, the Ministry of Ayush, through the National Medicinal Plant Board, initiated the establishment of the National Raw Drug Repository, that is NRDR at CCRS Jhansi. Regional Raw Drug Repository RRDRs at the All India Institute of Ayurveda, IIA New Delhi, National Institute of Ayurveda, NIA Jaipur, National Institute of Siddha, Chennai, and the Pharmacopoeia Commission of the Indian Medicine and Homeopathy, PCIMH, in Ghaziabad. Key objective of the repositories act as the accredited reference libraries for the authentication of the raw drugs, developed standard protocol and identifications key, provide certification services under the certified reference standards, survey and the centers for the training and awareness on Ayush raw drugs. Future outlook and the way forward. MOU signed between the NMPB and the CSIR National Physical Laboratory CSIR NPL on the 9th July 2025 at PCIMH Ghaziabad for development of Bharatiya Nirdeshak Dravya, that is called BND, with a target of 25 BND per year. Repositories were planned with a 5-year timeline for the full operationalization. The project tenure has already been concluded as per the original schedule, 5-year, and the presently under extension up to the 31st March 2026, as communicated by email 13th July 2025. You are advised to ensure the achievement of the assigned targets, deliverables within the extended project period. It is further emphasized that after completion of the extended scheduled project period, the RRDR will remain continue to function in the self-sustainable mode. RRDR are the advised to establishment on the strong sustainability model so as continue operationals beyond the project period by the adopting appropriate outreach program such like today's and among various stakeholders. It is now crucial to focus on long-term sustainability of the repositories and the service provided to the stakeholders, concluding outreach program to enhance awareness and the generate revenue, integrating repositories into the core mandate of the host institutions, functions in the self-sustainability mode. Now, I am confident that this consultative meet will be lead the meaningful discussions and the actionable outcomes. The Regional Raw Drug Repository Southern Plateau Region project is provided and strengthening the Ayush ecosystem by the reinforcing robust pharmacopoeial standard and the establishment of the integrated facilities for the authentication, standardization and the quality certification of raw material, thereby ensuring the quality of the Ayush medicine. Wishing will participants great learning and continued success. Thank you.